Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Alright, today we're making a seasoned salt spice blend. I'm making a large batch today, so I will put the ingredient list for a large batch and a small batch in the description below. First thing we're going to need is 1 cup of table salt. Then we're going to need a half a cup of pepper and a half cup of onion powder and a half cup of garlic powder, a quarter cup of Hungarian paprika, and 1/8 of a cup of cayenne peppers. So there it is, all in my large container. So there you go, all you got to do is shake it up and it's ready to go. I use this on everything. Season my meat, season dishes, whatever you like. So anyway, there you go. Seasoned salt. Enjoy. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.